Well, it's day 26 of our 30 Days Decluttering Challenge for Highly Successful Homemakers. And today we are tackling the drawer in the nightstand. So let's get it started. When we got this nightstand, I purposefully got one with a small drawer so that I couldn't get it too full. And right now it's a hot mess, but I can straighten it out pretty quickly. And the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out. Plugs and earbuds, lotion, medication. I have a small basket in here for pens and pencils. And there's lots of stuff, so let's get it all out first. There's more pencils in here than I thought. So here is my finished nightstand drawer. I've got my little cardiac monitor here, my earbuds there, and then I like to be able to reach for some chapstick or something like that, hand lotion, and then a pen or a pencil if I'm writing something in bed. Over here I've got nail things because sometimes I'll do nail things in bed, so I've got the nail things there. Here are my two cords, one for the phone, one for the iPad, and then a couple of notepads. And then a coaster so that I can set it up on the nightstand if I'm having coffee or some kind of a drink and I don't want to get rings on my nightstand. So this nightstand is now neat and organized. One of my friends, Michelle, at My Everyday Wife Life, has been doing the 30 Days Decluttering Challenge right along with me. And she's done a really neat thing with her videos. She put day 1 through 7 in one video, and then she did like day 8 through 15 in another video. So I will link those two videos in the description box so that you can check them out, and you can see how she's been rocking the challenge. For more homemaking and homekeeping inspiration, click here.